Hey guys, hope you're well today. RJ here. Alright, looks like Cougar Altered Cat 2 is finished. So I thought I'd make a video here and get y'all caught up on 3 of my more recent builds, including that one, and yeah, let's take a look at them. Alright, we got the Lindbergh 53 Ford here, and it's kind of a cool thing. I did a little tribute to my dad on this one here. I have one of my resin Hemis in here, wired up, ready to go. Alright, she's sweet. So over here we have, 69 Charger, junkyard build, and she's a junkyard dog with a Hemi up front. There you are. Take a look at all 3 of them guys. Yeah, kind of cool. Go over some of these details of these now here. Got the bottom of this one with the funny carp zoomies coming out there, all the way up high as Mount Everest there. Nosebleed height on there. Got some of my resin wheels all around in this car, along with the resin motor inside. There you go, some of them pie crust slicks out back too. Cool combination with the Firestones up front. That's old style. Those are AMT tires, by the way. Anyway, hey, yeah, let's get over to the Charger. Take a look underneath her. That would be a 56 Ford pickup front end on the actual stock leaf springs. And let's see, that's a Ford rear end out back. And then I got it hooked up to the 426/69 Hemi with the blower there. Of course, it's got the black tape vinyl belt there. I always like making those. Bunch of really cool decals on this one. Nice detail on that car. Don't need to be moving this camera around too badly. Sorry, my filming techniques might be a little off. Let's make a new film tomorrow. But hey, there's a nice homemade roll bar inside of there. There's a nice homemade roll bar. I always make those for every car, you know. Just go ahead and make those out of sprue, you know, and like everybody do, and yeah, kind of cool. Okay, so main attraction of this now, just having finished this guy here, Cougar Altered Cat 2. I built one of these back in 2007, an orange one. I sent it off to my buddy Andrew in Memphis. Hopefully it's still there, but whichever. It's kind of a long time in coming. I wanted to build this car for a long time. There's just really kind of a lot of work into that body, you know, moving the wheel openings forward, doing all that. You know, it's what it is. It takes the time that it takes to do it, you know. And I think best thing to do is take your time with something like that. And there's one of my resin intakes. I really kind of like that particular intake, so I made a whole bunch of them. But anyway, let's go ahead and take the hood off that car, if we can here. Here we go. Crank it up onto the roof there. Look inside that motor bay and see what we got going. Alright, looks like the Ford. And that would be your big 351 motor, I think, for that year. And I put a blower on top there, again there with my resin intake. And it's got the black tape belt there and everything. Here's your fuel cell, your little Moon Eyes fuel cell up front. So it's got some coil lever towers that I made myself there. I wanted to try that out on this build. Kind of came out really cool. I like it. And we got your chrome sprue beam across the front. No big whoop. Easy. Just easy stuff. Alright, underneath you got your driveline loop. You got your Ford rear end. You got your pie crust slicks and your pizza cutters up front. Spindle mount wheels. I really like this car. There was a lot of things in this car I'd wanted to do and had put together in my mind for many years. to go ahead and accomplish and really do on this particular build. It's not a complicated build, but hey, sometimes the simpler the better, you know. Anyway, hey, look, man, RJ, you guys, got to get going here. Just kind of wanted to get you up to speed on some of what's been going on, and you know, things have been up and down these last few years, so hope you all are well out there, and take care, huh? Alright, later.